From the start, the judge makes it clear. Roxanne's already on probation for being a felon caught with a weapon. Now she's back, this time for theft. On probation, every step is under the microscope, and a single mistake can send the whole deal crashing down.
The same Roxanne Hutchinson, who's placed on community supervision in 2024, CR 007949, for the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction for 7 years on November 7, 2024. Is that you? All right, state.
The 19th day of February 2025, in Courtroom, Texas, the defendant, Roxanne Hutchinson, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
Did you catch that? She says true without a pause, no second thoughts. That's essentially admitting she broke probation. Now here's the real question. If it were you, would you lock in the plea deal or gamble on facing up to 10 years?
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations.
Any objections? The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
And up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your violation of condition number 1 in your plea of true?
Mm-hmm.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it would involve the following deeds, which there's paperwork before the court for the defendant.
Yes.
The state probation and the defense's recommendation is to continue probationer on this probation through clause number 54 CR 007949, but to amend conditions to now include state ISF, cognitive track, followed by ISP, and probation did make a note on disposition of pending cases, tweet paperwork on clause number. Well, I see that she had been recording the previous.
Right.
I'm saying last employees on that day.
All right. So here's my question. Has she done her parenting classes? All right. Did she obtain employment?
Judge, if I may, employment court, she was doing the parenting classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. She's trying to get her child back through CPS. So she's doing the CPS classes through CPS. She has a CPS plan. So she's going through CPS. So she has a CPS plan. So she's doing the parenting classes through CPS.
All right, so how long has the CPS case been open? Was it open before this case?
Yes.
So I don't understand why the court has received a new number 1. She knows she has a CPS case, but she's...
This is where the judge draws the line. She's pointing out, you're already fighting CPS for custody, you know every move is under the spotlight, yet you're still picking up new charges. That's exactly how judges lose patience, and how probation deals come crashing down.
Picking up a new charge, and she's not following through with the conditions of the court. I don't understand why I should follow the agreement to continue her.
So I think she wants to.
All right. You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Okay.
All right, why is the only tangent thing that I see from you is that you're picking up a new charge?
I know it doesn't reflect in the probation report or whatever, but since then I keep helping. I've been sober for 9 months. I do believe that the issue wasn't me being sober. I got sober, but I was still doing the same thing that I was hanging around the same people. I didn't change my surroundings with all my friends. So I continued to do the same thing.
His is the most raw human moment of the hearing. Roxanne admits she's sober, but trapped in the same environment. She's fighting to keep her 4-year-old son. And in this moment, the courtroom isn't just deciding punishment, it's deciding if she's worthy of one final chance at treatment.
He's asking for him to be free and not be prison. I do have a order of something like that.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't understand why people don't think of their children before they pick up new offenses. I'm not following the agreement.
And just like that, boom, the judge shuts the deal down. No probation, no second chances. Motion to revoke? Granted. Which means prison time isn't a possibility anymore, it's a certainty. This is the gut punch moment where everything turns.
That you all have reached on this motion to revoke. I'm going to grant the motion revoke. Does anybody want to speak to time? She's looking at a maximum of 10 years.
Judge, we need to confirm.
All right, sure. All right, yes.
Judge, I'm going to re-urge the court to consider following the recommendation from probation and the state originally wanted. Ms. Hutchinson is before the court. She verbalized that she needs help. She's asking for help. It's not often that a defendant is before the court and they are asking the court for some help. She is asking for help also with CPS so that she can get help from CPS. It's well known that addicts relapse. That's not uncommon, and that's what happened with her. And because that happened, she picked up other offenses. The state of Texas is willing to give her an opportunity, so I'm re-urging the court to give her that opportunity. She's not asking for you to release her. She's asking you to send her to inpatient treatment so that she can get some help. That's what she's asking. And so I'm re-urging the court to consider that.
All right. The court, as previously stated, is citing violation condition number 1 true, and the court is going to grant the motion to revoke. Does anyone wish to speak to time?
I believe that we will be going open on that. The state understands defendant is facing up to 10 on this NTR. The other case that will be before the court shortly had thoughts. Basically, the state is thinking you pled true to number 1, you're facing 5, or facing 10, the state would ask for around 5.
Then we're asking the court to sentence Ms. Hutchinson to 2 years and 2 weeks.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will sentence you to 4 years in prison. The court will request a therapeutic community.
4 years, that's the sentence. Not the max, but still years away from her son. The judge does recommend a therapeutic program in prison, leaving a small window for rehabilitation. But here's the question. Was justice served, or would treatment outside have been the better path?
The court will give you a credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do y'all want to reconsider the plea bargain agreement with the theft case?
Yes, sir. I will get this done quickly.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you. And have you all changed the plea bargain? Yes. All right, Ms. Hutchinson, if you'll come up. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 005153, State versus Roxanne Hutchinson. Can I have the parties announced for the record, please?
For the state of Texas, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Hutchinson? All right, do you understand if the state approves of the repeater enhancement paragraph, then this will be a third-degree felony. The range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. This includes this charge. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you proceeding with sentencing? And I'm sorry, and also the court will find the and has to be true based upon your plea of true and based upon State Exhibits 1 and attachments. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That we're asking the court to follow the recommendations
All right, the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrently with 2024 CR 007949, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
It's confirmed that it was 2 cases that were dismissed.
Yes, it was 2025 CR 007240 and 2025 PF 2602. I'm sorry, 26020.
State was under 2 court. Yes.
Did you agree with trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Yes.
And who's your other client, Bridget?
Adam Keith. But I think